Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah and today we're gonna do a little vlog. It's 10:30. I'm about to go downstairs and make some breakfast. I have like sort of a busy day, not really. This will probably be all over the place. Also, I changed my hair. Okay, so at first I hated this color. I was like, this is hideous. It's so ugly, it looks green, but I'm actually kind of liking it. It's like a color mix. I think it's called like 1BT27. This looks unappetizing, but it's so good. And my scrambled eggs. And I did have coffee. Okay, so this is the gym fit. This is the fit. BBL jacket on. Lululemon leggings on. I'm gonna lint roll this because it is like pretty linty. So I actually stopped washing my face in the morning. I just use hot water. So for my lips, I'm using Selena Lips 101 ointment, and it's strawberry flavored. It's super thick. I need to get my freaking mustache waxed. Oh, and then I have to put on some jewelry. I'm gonna wear my Kendra Scott. I don't know if that's just like a Texas thing or like a Southern thing, but like you have to have a Kendra Scott piece. It's giving soccer mom. Okay, so the moisturizer that I'm gonna use is the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Cream. I love this moisturizer for the day. It like immediately absorbs into my skin, and it's also like a really good base for my makeup. Everything just glides on so much better when I have this moisturizer underneath. So I'm gonna go to Nordstrom Rack, see if I can find some perfumes. I'm not gonna wear one today just because I don't feel like wearing perfume today, but yeah, let's go perfume hunting. Oh, every single time I go somewhere, he always cries. I'm literally just going into the Marshalls real quick to see like what they have. I left the windows open for him. This is the little Marshalls next to the Galleria if you live in Houston. Okay, so I'm out of Marshalls and this is what I got. I've been saying a lot about the Burberry Brit for her, and I actually saw it at Nordstrom Rack the other day, but it was $40 for a 1 ounce. But then I went next door to this Marshalls on like Westheimer. I had a 3 ounce for $39. So I was like, hold up. I looked it up on Fragrantica, the last one. It's like a very light citrusy sort of scent. It has like pineapple, peach blossom. Yeah. This is definitely like something I would wear to the gym or something I would wear like just for everyday school in the hotter months. So if you kind of want something like Versace Bright Crystal but you think it's a little like screechy and sharp, this is a great alternative. And then this is what I was talking about first, but I just opened the pink one first because I like pink. Notes of lime, candied almond, and pear, which doesn't sound like it would go together. Everyone keeps saying that it smells amazing, so I was like, okay, let me see. Well, let me use this as like a booster because I don't like how these are both eau de toilette, so they might not last that long, but this also has that same sheer plaid action going on. This smells so good. Ah! It kind of gives me like key lime pie vibes. It's very sweet, but then the lime is also sort of fresh. This is it. I like this one way more than the sheer. Blue said he's ready to go home, and I agree with him. We just came to do that real quick. All right, I'm home. I'm gonna put away my new fragrances. Oh, actually, let me show you some other perfumes that I recently picked up while I'm up here. I did talk about this one in my last video, but it's new. This is the Clean Reserve Skin Reserve Blend. This just smells like you naturally smell good, and I like wearing this on the days where I don't want something super perfumey, but it is a little bit sweet. Super light. It is a skin scent. Then for Christmas, my mom got me Parfum Marley Oriana. I was so excited. First of all, I thought somebody did fraud on my account. I got an email from Saks, and they were like, talk about your recent purchase. I was like, I never went to Saks. Mom, somebody's doing fraud on my card. She's like, no, I don't think that. It might have just been an accident. But it turns out she just used my email address when she bought it. So this is what it looks like. Oriana. It's giving me princess vibes. Like, this looks like something that a princess would have. I love the display, I love the tassels, and this kind of smells like Love Don't Be Shy minus like the gaggable children's cough syrup vibe that it has. Very bright, fun, girly, youthful, but also sweet. I feel like this could be worn year round. I've worn this a few times since I got it for Christmas. It doesn't wear that long. It's like a very soft skin scent. I can appreciate a skin scent. I don't like to be super loud all the time. I like this one a lot. Some people may not like having a soft scent for the money. I am boiling some water right now so that I can make my brown rice, but where's my, like, okay. This garlic butter is a game changer. It makes the brown rice taste not like brown rice, you know what I mean? So I always use this, and that's what I'm gonna cook my shrimp in also. So here we go. I have my shrimp cooking right now, and I'm just gonna season it with like some garlic powder and stuff like that. I'm gonna use this garlic and herb, black pepper, sea salt. Hi, Blue. This is what it's looking like. I put a lot of pepper on there, but it's just shrimp, brown rice, garlic butter. All right, so I'm on my way to my training session right now. It's at 3:30. I am running a little bit behind, and I tried to like kill time by staying home a little bit longer because I have a package coming today, and I just seriously do not trust UPS anymore. I scanned it in front of my house and just kept driving. I try my best to be at home whenever UPS is delivering a package so that they will never ever steal from me ever again. I'm at the gym right now. I'm not gonna record because I have nobody to record me. I can insert clips from the last time I went to the gym. Well, not the last time, but a previous time I went to the gym. Just to like give you guys a glimpse of what I do in here. Okay, so I finished my workout. It wasn't that bad today. Like, I feel really good actually. See that? So right now I'm on my way to get my booster from Walgreens, and I am late. I'm like running 15 minutes late. So because I booked them so close together and I didn't factor in like rush hour and all of that. This is what it's looking like right now. I was just over here today, and you guys, I literally hate driving. Like, I can't stand driving. So I'm mad that I've had to come to this side of town twice. I'm not even going right now. Turn on Westheimer. Oh, I know exactly where I'm going. Okay. But yeah, love my city. I just love Houston so much. Like, even when I get married and stuff, I'm not moving out of Houston. Not unless. Okay, I'm here and I'm realizing that I forgot some very important things at home. I forgot my COVID vaccination record. I'm sitting over here scared. I forgot my vaccine card, and they didn't, like, at first she was like, no, we can't do it if you don't have your vaccine card. But I just had my brother send me a picture of it. Feeling nervous, feeling scared. I canceled this so many times just because I'm so scared of needles. Like, I just can't do it. Guys, I looked away for like 5 seconds to get my camera and it was already done. So yeah, sorry I didn't get to record it because it was literally so quick. But now I have to hurry up and go outside so I can start windmilling my arm around, you know, so I don't get a stiff arm. The longest part of that was just getting them to come to me to get the shot, but it was over so quick. I was like, you're joking. Ah, I'm boosted up. No, I gotta. I'm boosted. Me? Yeah, I'm boosted. My brother just got a package for me, which is very sweet of him. I am about to go to my friend's house for dinner because there will be homemade food prepared. But until then, I'm just gonna kill some time. Wait, what are these? Juicy Couture's perfumes, and they're only $32 each. Okay, I'm gonna smell each of these and then let you know what I think. Okay, so this one is my favorite. It smells like Ariana Grande's Cloud. This is like second best. This one's also really good. It's like very like bright and refreshing. It reminds me of Pink's Fresh and Clean. This one smells disgusting. It smells like grape medicine and Kool-Aid. Okay, so I don't really have any Ariana Grande perfumes. I bought Cloud and I returned it because I just like, I don't know why I returned it actually. I keep hearing people talk about Sweet Like Candy, so I want to see what it smells like. So I keep seeing it on TikTok. No, because why does it smell amazing? I actually want to buy it right now. I guess I'm just gonna go straight to eat. And yeah. I am back home from dinner and I just got a package from Twisted Lily. I'm super excited. Very excited. I always get excited when they send me a package because every single one is a banger. Like, I think I'm just really good at picking perfumes out. Hi, Blue. Oh my goodness. So this time I picked out the Aqua Celestia Cologne Forte and I am so excited. This literally smells like a lime mojito or like a bomb pop. Like a lime popsicle. It's so refreshing and I feel like this is really good for hotter months, but I would definitely wear it year round because you can't go wrong with smelling fresh. Look at that packaging, you guys. Oh, I am just over the moon excited right now. Okay, so here we have it. Let me see what's going on here. Take the plastic off, but oh, and I love the blue. Like, blue is like one of my favorite colors. It looks like a little ice cube. It's so cute. Because this smells like a bomb pop, like a bomb pop popsicle. It's like a fresh but sweet lime. Definitely unisex, but I think it leans a little more feminine. But this is the Aqua Celestia Cologne Forte. I smelled this in Neiman's originally, and I was like, oh my god, like I have to have it. It's very like clean, refined, cool, refreshing. It's giving me crisp white linen button-up, oversized frames, like YSL tote bags, like luxurious. It's giving me luxurious summer. I can't stop smelling it because it smells so good. So there is blackcurrant, bergamot, jasmine, mimosa, and musk. So there's no lime in here whatsoever, but all I smell is lime and I am obsessed with it. And also, like, I'm a sucker for packaging. I love how pretty this packaging is. And then look at the inside of the box. So pretty. I'll leave the link as well as a code for money off down below because they have like everything on their site. They have Baccarat, they have Creed, they have Parfums de Marly, they even have Maison Margiela replica. So if you're looking for like bubble bath or something like that, you can get that discounted there as well. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's so good, you guys. It's so good. 10 out of 10. And I like fresh scents because I can wear them year round. Like, yes, they are better for hotter months, but I don't think you can go wrong with smelling fresh. Like, there's no season for fresh and clean. So if you're looking for a new freshie, the Aqua Celestia Cologne Forte is my top recommendation. It smells like unreal. This is a total gem and I want it in the front. Okay, so I am going to hop in the shower really quick and I will see y'all when I get out. Yeah, I lied. So I forgot that I was supposed to be getting rid of my mustache. So I'm using the Nair face cream. I forgot that I was supposed to stop and get my lip wax on my way home. So I'm just gonna use this. So now I wait for 10 minutes. Hey y'all, so I am just getting out of the shower. This is how my eyebrows turned out. They didn't even come out that great. I think because my nail is expired. They look a little bit cleaner, but they don't look amazing. And then my lip did not give what it was supposed to. I was supposed to manicure my nails, but I'm just like so tired. Today was not as productive as I thought it was going to be. I did go to the gym though, so that's good, but it is almost midnight. And I'm just ready to like go to sleep. Probably gonna watch some Emily in Paris. I've really been liking that show. Please leave some Netflix recommendations. I don't really watch TV, so I don't really like having to like watch little bits of episodes to figure out if I like it or not, unless it's something super good like Riverdale, Power. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.